What's up guys, I took a little bit long break from the YouTube, but I'm finally back and give you information about where to find the full match highlights and football matches, where to find them. I will give you the 3 websites where you can find them and download them directly to your PC or mobile phone, or I don't know, wherever you want. So 2 years ago I made the exactly kind of similar content about football websites, and I included the hoodle.com on. There's everything in this site, but there's a short clips. If you pay the 300 euros, you're not getting the full access about this full matches. You will see the short clips about the goals and assists. That's all. It's only limited, and it's 10 seconds.com. But a lot of you guys were complaining about the price. I can remind you that hoodle.com is a professional tool which tracks the individually players and gathering the all informations and activities on the pitch. So that's why it is used by the football agents and the clubs to scout the young talents and make some information. It's a professional tool. That's why this one is so expensive. So in this one I will give you completely free websites. One is the cheaper one. So let's dive into and let's explore those sites. And the first site is Roja Directa, and Roja Directa has been taken down in multiple times and often changed its domain. I mean, the legal law is against them. They are like gangsters, you know, Roja Directa gang. So they are uploading the full football matches highlight. So this is a pretty useful website for you guys to download and find the football matches. So use a VPN or something to open and have a full access of this Roja Directa website. So this is the first one. I will show you the best second one, free website, guys, so stay tuned. It's an Arabic site. It's Atafkora. You know the Arabic commentators. Oh wait, I will give you this one. Atafkora. Oolala, 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 oolala. Do you know Arabic, guys? Me neither, guys, but this website is pretty useful. You can translate it to English, and this has a vast information and history of each football match, and this is a very good quality. You can watch the detailed full football matches. You know, it's a historical soccer highlight sites. It's used the Arabic commentaries with maybe Arabic watermarks, but it's very superb quality. And if you like the Arabic commentators like oolala oolala Messi, this website is for you guys, so enjoy it. Look at this full match Euro 2024 Netherlands versus Turkey. It also has FIFA Club World Cup 2023, yes, and everything. Africa Cup of Nations 2023, everything they have. Champions League, Premier League, everything. This is the best Arabic website for you guys. So let's go also the Italian side. This is Footballia. Footballia is a pretty kind of dry website, but it offers pretty historical matches. Like, look at this. Czechoslovakia versus Soviet Union friendly match 1988 year. What the hell? Football was crazy historical matches. Soviet Union matches, Real Madrid matches, Fulham matches. You see, this is a pretty good website. Let's go Real Madrid versus Deportivo Alaves. Let's check this out. Game lover. No, I'm not a game lover. I'm a game lover. So guys, this website requires to sign up. So I have no time to sign up and show you, but you can register it, and you trust me, this trustful website, no viruses or trojans for your computer, guys. And the second one, if you are looking for the recent match, for example, yesterday Inter Miami played against Nashville, or maybe PSG match which was recorded yesterday, you can use this website. This website. Look at this. It's a 720p quality, but trust me, this website has you will satisfy about this quality. You know what I mean? This is a PSG Real Madrid. Look at this match. 2 hour. Dembele. You see? This is a pretty good quality, guys. If any recent event or sports event you want to see and rewatch, here is the best website you can visit and also have some fun, guys. So that's all I got. This is 3 websites, but this one is the fastest one. I think that side is pretty useful, but it lacks the quality because you can watch in a 720p resolution, but it's pretty good because it's offers you 50 FPS game. Look at this, how smooth the gameplay is. You see, that's why it's 50 FPS, like a gaming, guys. So be careful to create a football websites or the YouTube channels. You know, I will explain you why it's risky to create the football channels nowadays in the next video, because life is not easy for us, guys, as a YouTube content creators or maybe TikTok content creators. But if you want to build your audience from the football highlights, that's the best sites I have gave you. This are historical matches and also the new matches you can watch, download, store, and go on like this way. So in the next video I will talk about how to avoid the copyright strikes, what the cons are to create the football YouTube channel, and what are the pros. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm doing my best to provide you for the information about football content and football highlights, where to find them, and not only football. Thanks for supporting me, because I built this channel 10 years ago and all of my subscribers were from the Lionel Messi highlights or football highlights, not personal me. People did not subscribe, so thanks to the new ones who subscribed me, and I wish you all the best. Thanks, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.